Because we moved our batteries on the inside, we use the actual battery holder for electrical and water hoses. We use a 2-stage filter. This helps with the larger particulates, and then this is kind of your typical one. It's really done well campgrounds where we had less than ideal water. We do use a 0G hose, mainly because it's lighter, less annoying to coil up. We also use drinking water freshener every time we fill up. As always, let the water flow a little bit before you plug in your stuff. Even with a 2-stage filter, it doesn't reduce the flow very much. It takes about the same time to fill up the whole 65-gallon tank, yes. It takes about 15 minutes. We use these filters along with a Brita filter inside, since we do use the water from the tanks for drinking. A lot of people say they don't. I'm not sure why, but with the triple filtration that we're using, we're very confident. One other thing, we tend to get water at separate spigots and not at the dump sites if we can, just because you never know how people use them.